Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, June 26th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So on the pound dollar, we had a very nice entry to go long yesterday. In hindsight, it definitely was a perfect three-way pullback. It just wasn't a very big pullback. It really wasn't much of a correction to this last wave up, but definitely a perfect three-way pullback. Nice engulfing move to the upside. Now, I've been doing nothing but looking for longs because the monthly's up, the weekly's up, and the daily is up. My next area of resistance is the daily time frame Fibonacci retracement, 88.5%, which is right around the 1.38 area. Now, whether or not this is going to keep on going without making too many pullbacks, or whether it's going to make a pullback before it gets up there is the question. I have no idea. If the 1 hour time frame does break down, then I'm not definitely not going to sort it. But what I'm going to do is throw my Fibonacci retracement on there, and I'm going to look for a three-way pullback to go long again. But it definitely doesn't really have to do that. I mean, it potentially could just keep on drifting up towards this 88%, which is for me the next big area of resistance. The daily time frame could be a wave five, which means if it does turn, it could be the end of this big five-wave move up on the daily. Or it could just be a subdivision of a much larger uptrend. So until the higher time frames tell us otherwise, I'm going to continue to do nothing but look for logs in an uptrend at the end of three-wave pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.